Hi everybody, how you doing today? It's another beautiful day and we're at Cannon Hill Park, and today I've made a lovely grid. It's a flower grid, hasn't got crystals on for a change. I'll give you a close-up of that, and we'll also do some light language as well. And the light language will be for opening ourselves up to different realms. So this is the grid. All daisies, we've got leaves, we've got dandelion, flower, buttercups, these lovely pink flowers, and these fantastic red leaves of the tree over here. I'll just zoom in. It's off that tree there, it's a fabulous tree. So I call this area Secret Garden because even on a busy day like today, on the weekend, there's hardly anyone comes in here. And it is actually a stone circle because there's a stone here. There's a stone over there, group of stones, and underneath that tree. And there's some stones here. I love making grids at this one. It's an amazing stone. I've made a grid here before. And look at the daisies, it's absolutely stunning. And that's the other part of the stone, so it's been there for quite a while. It's got great energy. And that's today's grid.